really inspired by during my time staying here at the home because of the old windows and just how busy 20th and Capp is. The windows rattle, the windows shake. When a car goes by with a loudspeaker playing, you know, it's reminiscent of this sound combined, rattling of the bucket and the bass of the amp. I was really drawn to ideas of like the sounds of the house as inspiration, the vibration of the earth underneath the home, thinking of its histories as surviving all of the San Francisco earthquakes throughout the decades, throughout the century, century plus, but also just the feeling of wanting to bring this dirt back to life. This used to be the Grotto, used to be a dirt pit, essentially, for the foundation of the home, where David sourced a lot of his inspiration. And funny enough, it's now become the archive room. It's now become the staff office for the 500 Capp Street Foundation. And so, what a perfect place for an archive. You know, the Grotto now turns into the room where his legacy is stewarded. His artworks are cared for. And so what I'm doing with this piece is I'm channeling a brown noise soundtrack into the bucket of dirt. So that the brown noise, which is for me an audio interpretation of photographs of the brown mud and dirt grotto, that's getting funneled in back into the dirt and shaking it, reinvigorating it back to life. Not only that, but I also chose brown noise because brown noise is utilized in our modern society to help you think and help you focus, help you relax, which is exactly why David came down to the Grotto, so to think in solitude and to draw inspiration, to focus. So this piece is called Returning to the Grotto.